This video tutorial I will explain REST API best practices. Imagine you are in a restaurant and you want to order some food. The waiter takes your order and send it to the kitchen and then brings your food back to you once it is ready. In this scenario, the waiter is like a messenger between you and the kitchen. He makes sure everything happens smoothly. Now think of a computer system or website that wants to share information with other computer systems or website. They cannot just talk to each other like we do. They need a special way to communicate. That is where REST API comes into picture. A REST API is like a set of rules that computers follow to talk to each other over the internet. It is like a menu that tells them how to ask for things and how to give things back. It is like a waiter in the restaurant. The REST API makes sure that different systems understand each other and exchange information correctly. Now we will talk about REST API best practices. REST API best practices make sure the communication between computer systems using REST API goes really well. The first point is clear menu, which is equivalent to URLs in computer system. Just like menu in restaurant, the web addresses should be clear and organized. This helps the systems to know exactly what they are asking for. The second point is proper orders, which is equivalent to HTTP methods in computer world. When you order a food, you might say, I want a burger. Computers also have different ways to ask for things. To get the details, we have to use get method, and to post new things, we have to use post method. Using the right method for right request is more important. Third point is fresh ingredients, which is equivalent to data in computer world. When you order food, the kitchen needs to know what you want. Computers also exchange information. It is called data. Making sure the data is correct and well organized is like having fresh ingredients for your order. Fourth point is responses, which is equivalent to status codes in computer world. After you order, the waiter might say, here is your food. Computers also send back messages to tell each other what happened. These messages have numbers, which is nothing but status codes. The status code explains if everything went well or if there is any problem. Fifth point is no mixing, which is equivalent to separation of concerns in computer world. In a restaurant, the kitchen only worries about cooking and waiter takes care of serving the food. Similarly, in REST API, different parts should handle different jobs. This makes things organized and very easy to manage. The sixth point is security, which is equivalent to authentication and authorization in computer world. Imagine the waiter making sure you are the right person before giving you your order. Computers also need to make sure they are talking to the right systems and those systems are allowed to get the information what they are asking for. The seventh point is consistency, which is equivalent to naming and structure in computer world. Think of the menu having consistent format and style. Similarly, the way API is designed should be consistent so that everyone understands how the things work. Eighth point is versioning, which is equivalent to updates in computer world. Just like a restaurant might change its menu over a time, like that API might get updated. It is important to have a way to tell which version of API you are using so things don't break unexpectedly. So REST API best practices are like guidelines or a set of rules which help computer system to communicate smoothly and effectively. Just like a waiter and kitchen team working together to make sure you get your food just the way you want it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.